guys, welcome back to Akwasbeauty. It's your girl Laura, and today I'm back with a hair tutorial. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do a box braids today, so you want to make sure to stay tuned. It's very detailed, yeah, so stay tuned. So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you're new, thank you. You might as well subscribe now because this channel is about fun, advice, lifestyle, and a lot of how-to videos. So you guys will be learning a lot from this channel. And if you guys love to learn, you might as well subscribe, right? So go ahead and subscribe. So I'm just gonna show you guys today how to do like medium-sized box braids. They're really simple. I'm gonna show you guys how you grab the hair. I'm also gonna show you guys how you actually start braiding from the root. So if you want to learn, make sure to keep on watching.
To make my parts, I like using shiny gem because it makes it cleaner and it also makes it easier for me to braid the hair to be smooth. For the hair, you can either get pre-pulled expression hair or you can get regular expression hair that you have to pull on your own. If you guys would like a tutorial on how to pull the hair on your own, just let me know in the comments down below. Whenever you get your section of hair that you will be working with, you just want to go ahead and take a little piece, separate the hair into two sections, a bigger piece and a smaller piece. And then you'll go ahead and cross them over to make a little chain in a way. You would want to make one section of the hair longer than the other one because it helps the braid to become longer. This part is a little bit harder to explain, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch the video. I'm gonna do it 2 times, one in slow-mo and one in regular time. Whenever it's time to braid, I divide the section of her natural hair into 2 pieces. Some people prefer 3 pieces, some people prefer just 1 piece, but it's easier for me to separate the hair into 2 pieces. And what I do is, I want to twist the hair onto the scalp to make the braid tighter and go underneath another section of the hair. So if you look carefully, you can see I'm going under, and as I'm going under, I'm twisting the hair to be tighter onto the root. When all the braids are done, I normally like clipping all the excess hair that was sticking out with a pair of scissors. And then whenever that's done, I just dip the hair in some hot water, put some mousse, and we're all done.